Hello you guys, welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if you are new here. Today I'm back with another Quince, I think that's how you say it, video. You guys seem to really like my last one, so I wanted to pick up some new things, and I think I finally got the sizing down, because that is seriously the trickiest thing about shopping on their site. So if you're not familiar with Quince, I would say they're similar to like Everlane meets Aritzia-ish, kind of, without the hefty price tag. So they have really good quality fabrics and they're sustainable, but they don't have like the brand name that you're paying for. So kind of think like Dossier of clothing. I don't know if I could say that. But I picked up some really good stuff. I loved the things that I picked up last time, but their sizing was just a little bit wonky. And then I realized once I like shopped their site that they have so many other categories and whatnot, and I want to share with you some of the things that I found because they're from the different categories. They even have like home stuff. It's kind of nuts, but I want to share with you because some of them are literally everything to me. Let's start with this little like overnight bag. I have the, I think I'm saying it right, the Dagny Dover diaper bag. I love that diaper bag. We've had it since before Arlo was born. It was the one that we went with because it's very gender neutral. It's made of this like neoprene fabric. It's really expensive. I want to say the diaper bag back when we bought it, which was like 4.5 years ago, was like $200. Now they have different sizes, but nonetheless, their stuff is just really pricey. I think it's really cool looking though, but it's a lot, okay? It's a lot for a bag, for just a bag, okay? But I was looking and I saw that they do a lot of Dagny Dover dupes, lookalikes, if you will, and I'm thoroughly impressed. Now this bag still isn't cheap. It's still $100. It's a lot for a bag. Not a lot for a bag, but it's it's not $20. It's good quality. So I loved the Dagny Dover diaper bag because it had so many compartments, and I just love that bag so much that I now carry it as a backpack because Arlo's no longer in diapers anymore. But this bag is identical quality. I know because I can feel it, and I'm familiar with the Dagny Dover, and it has a lot of the same compartments in the bag as well. This would also make, if you have multiple babies, I mean, you could carry this as a diaper bag, but I wanted it for a weekend bag. I felt like I didn't have a good overnight bag. I didn't have a good, just like duffel bag. I didn't have one. I really liked a couple things about this. It has the handle straps like this, but it also has the over the shoulder. You can pop these out. We just took a trip and I used this bag, so I can speak that I love it. You can pop this out and you get a whole lot of extra room than if you just do it like this. So it fit everything in there for me. There's a couple of front things. So this pocket is an actual pocket. And then on the other side, it is like one for your suitcase. And then there's one for your phone. I'm obsessed with this. If you'd been looking at the Dagny Dover one, I would give this Quince one a try. Also, this video is not sponsored by Quince, but they do have a 365-day return policy, which is awesome. So I think you can't go wrong with trying it out and seeing, and you have the time to actually like see what fits in it, if it works for you or whatever. It does also have little like metal things at the bottom, but I love this material. I love the green. They've got a couple of other colors, but I can seriously speak to the fact that it's very similar quality to the actual Dagny Dover because I have not that style but the backpack, and it's honestly the same. Next thing I grabbed was this little beanie. This was on my fall wish list, was a little beanie like this. I at first didn't love it. I can't wear it with my hair in a bun. You'll see, I literally look bald. But you can wear it with your hair down, and I think it's really cute. It's a cashmere one. It's so 100% cashmere. This I got in the extra small. I would say I don't think I have a big head, but I wish I got the medium large just because it fits very like bald cap like, but I really like it, and I like that it's black because I bought a new jacket from them, you guys. I am slowly like building my jacket wardrobe since living in the Midwest. Like in Texas, we didn't need a lot of heavy jackets, and I have one like really big winter coat. My other one's from Abercrombie, like my red one that I've had forever, like literally 10 years. Not 10 years, but 8 years probably. And the buttons are finally like falling off, and it's had it. It was a great jacket for so long. And then I got the Uniqlo one, which I love. That one's about 4 years old, and that one's a longer line jacket. I wanted one that was kind of hit at the hips, wasn't full length. I just wanted something like that. So I saw these, and these legitimately look like the Aritzia Super Puff or something like that. I am blown away at how nice this jacket is. It's like $120, I think. I love this color, first of all. I wanted something that wasn't dark. I have a black like North Face raincoat, and then I have the Uniqlo jacket that's like a dark green, which basically looks black. I have a couple of other, I like green a lot. I feel like it's just neutral and it goes with a bunch of different colors. So I liked this, like, it's called, I think it's CMOS or something like that. It's amazing quality. Like, it's got all of the different like bungees. I like that it has these little built-in arm things. Yeah, even the stitching, everything on it. I mean, it's filthy right now because we took this, or I had it on when we went to the city, and we went to like not a hibachi, Korean barbecue, and Arlo got crap in it. It also has a detachable hood, which I really enjoy because I think that's a really cool feature if you don't want the full hood on. What else can I say about this coat? Nothing. I absolutely love it. I was really debating on getting the Aritzia one. I ordered this. I did originally order it at medium, but I went and got back to a size small because I wanted to layer under it, and I was like, I feel like their stuff kind of runs a little bit small. So I got this medium to begin with, and then realized it was way too big, so I got the small, and it's perfect. And this is like legitimate down. I think it's 100% down. What is the makeup of this? Yeah, so the outside is recycled polyester, and the lining, or the filling, is 90% goose down and 10% feathers. So it's super, super warm, and like, I feel like for the quality of this jacket, it should be way more expensive. I am honestly so happy I found that coat. Okay, that's it for accessories. Let's move into some of the clothes that I got. So I guess we'll start with this. I had got in my last video one of their little like hoodies, and I finally found the size that I like. I'm a large in this. I like an oversized fit hoodie. I got the medium, and I just felt like it wasn't enough. I was really debating on the extra large, but the large fits perfectly. I love like this gray sweatsuit. I have like light gray, but I don't have dark gray. I'm now obsessed with sweatsuits, I think because I live in a colder place, but extra large or large fit perfectly for me. This is just really soft, really squishy. It's got a nice fleece lining in it, and I think it's 100% cotton. 100% organic cotton. Like, that's what I'm saying. It's really good quality materials. The fit is just what you've got to play around with, but the quality of the material is up there with stuff that's like over $100. So it's not like polyester and crap. It's literally a cotton sweat set that's gonna last you forever. Now, this is something that I knew I wanted as well to go with that sweatshirt, but unfortunately I do have to return these. These I need a small in. I thought the medium would give a little bit of an oversized fit, but what I don't like about them, and I'm hoping the small fixes that, is that this bungee at the leg, like the jogger part, is just too wide, and it fits too low. So I'm hoping the small will be just a bit smaller and a little bit more snug. If not even snug, just puts it a little bit up on my ankle. One thing I will note about this, I'm happy with everything about these besides the sizing, but I will say that there's like a panel that runs down the side, and it's not fleece lined, which I think is kind of weird, but I guess could be kind of breathable. But it has really nice pockets, really good like aglet and pull details. I love this bungee. Like, yeah, I can't say enough good things about this. I just need it in a small, so I'm going to, like I said, return it. And they do awesome like returning as well. They just give you your money back as soon as the post office scans it, which is like amazing. I grabbed a little silk skirt. I had seen a lot of things on their site about silk, and silk can be insanely expensive. This is just 100% silk. This is a small. I would say it fits true to size. It has like a bungee waist. I love this little A-line detail. I think this is so cute and so sophisticated. Can be worn more casual with sneakers or can be dressed up with some heels. I think this is like a staple that you will have in your wardrobe for years to come. I think you can just style it so many different ways. You can go really casual with it with like a graphic tee and a denim jacket, or you can dress it up, do an all black moment, whatever you want. There's just so many ways to wear that, and I really feel like the detail on this in terms of the style of fit, I really like it. It's kind of like an A-line, but it does have a good lay at the bottom. And I mean, it's 100% silk. I can only imagine what something like this would cost elsewhere. This sweater, I'm not sure. I will have like the names. I'll have everything linked down below. This is probably my favorite material from them. This is so soft and snuggly, and it's like a big knit. It has a little like detail line seam down the back, which I really enjoy. I love this black. I love everything about this sweater. I got this in a size medium, and I feel like it fits the perfect amount of oversize. The thing that I have the issue with the smalls, they're oversized, but they're too short, and I don't like the way they hit on me. I like to be able to tuck or untuck. I just don't like when things hit cropped on me. So I love this sweater so much. It can be worn obviously a million different ways. It's a black sweater, but the quality is amazing, and this feels like butter. What is this made out of? I'm imagining cotton. Oh, this is, what? No wonder why this is up. This is 100% merino wool. It feels so nice. That's crazy. Okay, this, I like the style of these. I just don't like the sizing. I had to get this in an extra large, you guys. This doesn't look like an extra large at all. Again, I like really oversized. This is pretty boxy, but in order to get this to hit at a part where I felt comfortable on my hips, it's an extra large, which is kind of crazy. So that's why I make these videos, so that you guys can kind of see. You can see my general measurements, they're all down below, and then you can see how I like things to fit, and you can determine if that's something that would work for you or not. But this is, I think they're Fisherman Crew, which I tried in a medium last time. This is just cotton, I think. Yeah, 100% organic cotton. This is a nice sweater. I love the details, like the big chunky woven knit. This isn't super soft, but it's soft enough, and I loved this like wine color. But yeah, extra large. So it's kind of like a little wonky, like I said. All right, this next one is probably my favorite sweater. I want to say this is also made of wool. Let's see. Okay, so this is made with merino wool, a little bit of nylon, and then yak and spandex. I love the coloring on this. It's such a pretty material. The neck is kind of like a mock, small mock, like a, I don't know how to explain it. It's a higher neckline. I got this in a medium, and this fits perfectly oversized already. I want to say this is an oversized fit, which is why I only went with a medium. It is quite large. I feel like I could have gotten this in a small. I would say this fits pretty true to size. But I was just, like I said, so nervous last time. I ordered everything in the wrong size. But I love this material. This is really nice. It's soft. It looks very luxury, and I like the different like texture of the sweater itself. And then last but not least, a lot of you guys had told me you love their linen stuff, even though it's not summer. I was like, I just want to test it out and see. Y'all know I'm a button-up freak. This medium fit, I think, perfectly. So I would say size up if you like a more loose, relaxed fitting button-up. I don't know about you guys, but button-ups can tend to like pull on me if they're a little bit too small. So I like to give them a little bit oversized. You can just wear them so many different ways. Completely open as a bathing suit cover up, tucked in is what I like to do. Completely buttoned up. But this is a really nice linen shirt. And if you know linen is stupid expensive most places, or it's just like really stiff. I normally get my linen from H&M because I just can't like justify the price of some of the linen that I've seen. So the fact that this is 100% linen and it feels really like soft and nice, I really enjoy that. So I got this baby blue color. And I'm ready for it to be summer now so I can wear it. I don't know, I love a baby blue, and I don't have a baby blue linen button up. I don't know why I feel like I need to justify that for myself, but yeah, you guys, that is it. That's everything that I picked up from Quince. I would say if you are in the market for a jacket, check that jacket out. It is unreal. I'm obsessed with it. And then that little duffel bag is so cute and fun. I mean, I liked everything from this from this order, honestly. There's a lot of really good stuff. The sizing is just the biggest thing I would say is kind of a pain. So I hope these videos are helpful. If there's any other items on that site that you kind of want me to test out before you waste your time and all of that, to see if it's worth the quality, let me know and I'd be happy to do so. I really have so far loved my experience with the brand. And oh, one thing a lot of you guys had mentioned, you were like, oh, I think it's weird because there's always like 5-star reviews on their thing. I will say, I think that's because when you do reviews, you get like points to spend on their site. So I think that's why people are filling out more reviews and whatnot. I don't know. And it automatically goes to the 5 stars when you go to write a review. So I think that's the biggest thing. But I don't think it's like fake reviews. I know some of you had said that, and I get it. It looks kind of like sus because you're like, is everything really that good? No, not everything's that good. But I would say the quality is 5-star. It's just the fit is what you need to figure out what works for you. So I hope you guys enjoyed and found this video helpful. Again, I will have my general measurements and then the exact sizes that I picked in these items, and you can kind of see how they try on and all that good stuff. I love you guys so much. Thank y'all for watching, and I'll see you in my next one really, really soon. Bye.